Thanks for tuning in to the 45th Annual Parcells Holiday Bazaar Virtual Edition. Don't forget to go to our website, www.parcellsbazaar.com, for links to shop at 50 vendors that have amazing handcrafted goods from around the area. There's also links to our partner businesses that are supporting the PTO's mission. And, most importantly, there's a link to the silent auction page where you'll find a number of amazing baskets made up of donations from around the community for you to bid on. The auction will end at 4 p.m. on Saturday, December 5th, but the vendor pages will stay up the rest of the month. That means you've got the rest of the year to please support these amazing local small businesses, and also thank you for your support of the Parcells PTO. Liz Bellinger is the creator and owner of Clay Dragon Corner. She's been making dragons for over 8 years now, and her business has been up and running for about 2.5 years. She started making figures when she was in late elementary school after reading a book called The Last Dragon Chronicles, where one of the main characters made clay dragon figures that came to life. She's always loved art, and coincidentally, the character's name was also Liz, so she thought she'd try her hand at making them herself, and the idea was born. She had no intention of selling the figures until some family and friends suggested she start making other kinds, and found out you could apply for a table at the Parcells Holiday Bazaar. She built up some inventory, started an Instagram account, and applied to be a bazaar vendor in 2018. Since then, she's done multiple craft shows in the area, mainly random markets through Rainy Day Art Supplies, which are since postponed or suspended due to COVID, and sold through her website. She's expanded her creations to include clay earrings, mini dragon scenes, dragon ornaments, and even needlepoint Christmas ornaments. She's looking forward to expanding her business further and is grateful to be a continuing participant in the wonderful Parcells Holiday Bazaar market. On behalf of the Parcells Holiday Bazaar team, we're so excited that since your first show with us 2 years ago, you've seen great success and you're back for the virtual edition as well. Thank you for your support of the Parcells PTO, and thank you to all the shoppers for supporting Clay Dragon Corner.